Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Simply Saint coming back with another video. If you would like to see how I did this quick, simple, braided up to double bun on my natural hair, then keep watching. So we're starting off and dry, stretch, clean hair, and we're going to begin by sectioning our hair in half. My hair is already moisturized, so I'm just using the jam to define my part and smooth my braids. And I apologize for the rooster crowing in the background. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and they're still making noise. So it's either I have a lot of background commotion going on with the kids, the family, or it's either roosters. Gotta pick and choose my battles. So the rooster it is today. So basically I'm gonna begin another section and this will be braided downwards and I'm gonna detangle and smooth with the jam. So basically this will be a little braided type tendril in the front and I'm detangling with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. And I haven't checked in on you guys. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well and you guys are healthy, in good spirits, in good health. And I'm doing great actually. So basically for the rest of the video, it's self-explanatory, so you can check to see what I'm doing. So the rest is going to be voiceover. Sorry, I'm going to cut the voiceover short and I'll be playing some music in the background. And don't be shy in the comments. Send me a comment, write me a comment, leave me a sweet little message. If you don't know what to say, just leave an emoji. It does help with my video reaching a larger audience so we can grow this family. At this point, I was testing different styling option. I wasn't too much feeling the two little braided tendrils to the side, but I just wanted to continue on with the hairstyle. What I had envisioned in mind, I wasn't able to achieve that, so I'm just winging it at this point. And keep watching. This is the easiest way to do your bun with no pin, and it is secure. It won't budge. Watch closely. Bam. That's it. And I'll do it again so you can watch closely. Easiest way to do your bun with no pins. So these are the finished results. It wasn't what I envisioned doing with this hairstyle, but it still turned out cute. And I love the way the bun turned out. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. And always don't forget, you are beautiful and you are loved.